What if we had a limitless, clean energy source capable of powering the world without pollution or depletion? French scientists have taken a major step toward making this vision a reality by achieving a groundbreaking milestone in nuclear fusion research. In a remarkable breakthrough, researchers at France's Atomic Energy and Alternative Energies Commission, CEA, successfully sustained a high-temperature plasma state for over 22 minutes in the WEST environment in steady-state Tokamak reactor. This achievement sets a new record for prolonged plasma confinement in a steady-state tokamak, proving that stable fusion reactions can be maintained for extended periods, a crucial advancement toward practical fusion energy. Nuclear fusion, the same process that fuels the sun, involves fusing hydrogen isotopes to release immense amounts of energy. Unlike nuclear fission, which powers today's reactors, fusion does not produce greenhouse gases or long-lived radioactive waste, making it an environmentally friendly and nearly inexhaustible energy source. In this experiment, scientists sustained temperatures exceeding 50 million degrees Celsius, using 2 megawatts of heating power, demonstrating that the conditions necessary for fusion power generation can be maintained over time. This milestone provides essential insights for large-scale projects like ITER, International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, a global effort to commercialize fusion energy and pave the way for future power plants. If nuclear fusion becomes a viable energy source, it could revolutionize global energy production by replacing fossil fuels with a virtually limitless supply of clean power. Just 1 gram of fusion fuel, consisting of deuterium and tritium, holds as much energy as 11 tons of coal, making it one of the most efficient energy sources ever conceived. Moreover, because fusion does not emit carbon dioxide or other harmful pollutants, it could play a crucial role in combating climate change and creating a sustainable future. By proving that long-duration fusion is possible, this breakthrough brings humanity one step closer to harnessing the power of the sun on Earth, offering a glimpse into a future where energy is abundant, clean, and inexhaustible.